Downloading your account data from Snapchat is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Request account data. Scroll down to the privacy section and select My Data. You will be redirected to a web page where you can request your account data. Step 4. Log into your account. If prompted, log into your Snapchat account again on the web page to verify your identity before proceeding with the data request. Step 5. Download your data. After submitting your request, you will receive an email when your data is ready for download. Follow the link in the email to access and download your account data. By following these steps, you can easily download your Snapchat account data. If you have any issues, refer to Snapchat's Help Center for further assistance.